Are you someone who struggles a lot to speak confidently in front of people or to anyone? Then this video is for you. Hi guys, this is Himasha and you're watching Himasha Unfiltered. If you're new here, I make videos on productivity, positivity, self-improvement and many more. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the channel and also subscribe. Okay, firstly I would like to apologize for coming on so late on this channel. Like I know 2 to 3 months I have not been there. But nevertheless, I'm now here and for all of you and will continue to make brilliant videos to all of you. Today we are talking about confidence, and if you are someone who is quite introvert or finds it very difficult to talk to people, आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा difficult हो जाता है, तो ये वीडियो आप खास करके ज़रूर देखिए. तो बात कर रहे हैं आज कॉन्फिडेंस के बारे में. और कॉन्फिडेंस क्यों ज़रूरी है? बिकॉज कॉन्फिडेंस ही एक वो चीज़ है जो लोगों को आपकी तरफ ला सकती है. और आज की इस दुनिया में हम सबको एक दूसरे की ज़रूरत है क्योंकि बिजनेस बढ़ रहा है, डिजिटल चीज़ें एनहांस हो रही है, और इसीलिए आपके लिए आपका कॉन्फिडेंस को मेंटेन करना इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी 5 ट्रिक्स दैट विल हेल्प यू टू टॉक कॉन्फिडेंटली टू एनीवन, लिटरली एनीवन. एंड अगर आप वो बच्चे रहे हो जो स्कूल में ज़्यादा हाथ नहीं उठाता था या बैक बेंचर था, जिसको कॉन्फिडेंस की बहुत तकलीफ होती है, एंड इफ़ यू आर एन इंट्रोवर्ट देन दिस वीडियो इज़ फॉर यू. आई होप यू कीप वॉचिंग इट टिल द एंड. लेट्स गो. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जब हम बात करते हैं कॉन्फिडेंस की और आप किसी सामने वाले से बात करो, इट कैन बी फॉर एनी पर्पज, फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ बिजनेस, फॉर इंटरव्यू और एनी सच थिंग. वी ऑल आर डिपेंडेंट on each other and we need to have that confidence within us to take us far in life. And your confidence in life is one such thing that shall stay with you and no one can take it away from you. The confidence speaks. So before I talk about confidence and how to talk confidently to anyone, let's go back to our previous years. And I know that बहुत सारे लोग जो ये video देख रहे होंगे are from like 18 to early 20s and stuff like that, who are looking to enhance their confidence to speak to anyone. So when I go back to these years of our school and everything, ये activities जैसे elocution हो गया और anchoring हो गई कोई school event में, ये सब क्यों होता था? To increase our confidence, right? और कुछ बच्चे ऐसे थे जो ये सब events में नहीं part लेते थे because they had some issues. They didn't wanted to go in front of public. ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो आज तक डरते हैं, have stage fear, are not able to speak confidently in front of people. Well, now is the time that you improve on yourself and really take your skill far, because confidence will take you ahead in life, because it will really enhance you as an individual and also help you to gain business deals, crack interviews and get your dream job as well. So it's very important that you pay attention to this one skill in life. If you improve on this one skill, I'm pretty sure that you will go far in life much faster than you've ever imagined. So बात करते हैं 5 ट्रिक्स के बारे में जो आपको मदद करेगी आपकी कॉन्फिडेंस इंक्रीज करने के लिए. तो पहला तो आ जाता है आई कॉन्टैक्ट. अभी मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ थ्रू कैमरा. नाउ मेरी आईज लिटरली कैमरा की तरफ है, सो दिस मेक्स मी श्योर दैट आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू गाइज और वॉचिंग इन योर आई व्हाइल आई एम स्पीकिंग. आपको किसी से बात करते टाइम मेक श्योर करना है दैट यू मेंटेन एन आई कॉन्टैक्ट. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू दैट आप कंटिन्यूसली किसी की तरफ स्टेयर करते रहो और उनको फ्रीक आउट कर दो. नो, I am telling you that you maintain an eye contact like for 2 seconds, because इससे क्या होता है, when you maintain an eye contact with someone, that person actually knows that you're thoroughly listening and that person will also listen to you. So whatever you bring out, the same you will receive. So please maintain an eye contact while you speak. Number 2, use hand gestures to prove your point or talk like how I using right now. So that hand gestures की वजह से क्या होता है, that when people look at you, they are more engaged with you, and whatever you speak, they are also creating an image in their back of their minds, which is like they are really listening to you. एंड इसीलिए आपको हैंड जेस्चर्स यूज़ करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप ज़्यादा ही यूज़ करते रहो. Keep it casual, keep it like a way that you're talking to someone and it's your natural thing. So when you use hand gestures, people are interested to know what you have to speak and they really listen intently. Number 3, practice. Practice speaking in front of the mirror for at least 5 to 10 minutes before you like go to bed or wake up or any time of the day. Just find a time and speak to yourself. And अगर आपकी कोई presentation है जिसके बारे में आप कुछ बोलने वाले हो, या फिर क्लास में आपका कोई आंसर बोलना है या जो भी है, उसकी प्रैक्टिस आप एक बार मिरर में देख के कर लीजिए. What will this do? This will really make you see how you look while you talk, and also how much your confidence will rise if you speak. Number 4, this is very important and मैं चाहूँगी कि आप सब लोग इस चीज़ को बहुत अच्छे से फॉलो करें, which is a firm handshake. Yes, a firm handshake and also a good greeting. So whenever you walk in front of many people, the least thing that you can do, like एक business conference है and you have to increase your business, your reach. So what will you do? Will you stand in like एक क्राउड के साइड में जाके खड़े हो जाओगे या क्राउड में जाके लोगों से बातें करोगे? क्या करोगे अगर आपको आपका बिजनेस स्केल करना है? तो you will obviously go and talk, right? And when you talk, the only 3 lines that you have to say is, hi, my name is Himasha Uswal and I am a digital marketer and a content creator. How about you? What do you do? That's it. That is the basic thing that you can start a conversation with anyone. And a firm handshake is always necessary. For example, hi, I'm Himasha Uswal. And a firm handshake, I don't mean you squeeze someone's hand very hard. What I mean to say, a firm handshake really tells a lot about a person. When a person does a firm handshake, it talks a lot about a person, that the person is really very intellectual, very intelligent, and is ready to give it 100% and goes after the things that he believes in. That's what a good handshake stands for. And number 5, if there are awkward silences in the conversation which are not really healthy, then one thing that you can do to get out of the situation is to ask the question to the person relating to the topic that he or she was speaking, so that you make sure that the conversation is flowing and none of you feels awkward to have a conversation. So these were the 5 tricks that can help you to speak confidently to anyone. And if you really like this short and sweet video, please don't forget to comment down, and also comment down what makes you to speak confidently to anyone. It can help many such people who would like to know more on this topic. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe like I always say. And thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you again for the next video. Take care. Bye bye.